Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Nokia 150 mobile feature phone. As you can see, this is a very basic box set. This is the newest version of the Nokia 150, which is a dual SIM feature phone. At the back of the box, it is written that this phone has a 2.4-inch TFT display, has a VGA camera and FM radio. That's more or less it. Let's open the box and see what's inside. You can see the phone wrapped in plastic the moment you lift this lid. Let's remove the plastic and get a closer look. As you can see, it has a pretty large display. It comes with a numpad as well. If you are into retro phones, then this is probably the one for you. Now let's go back to the box. We have a 1020 mAh battery. We also have a quick guide for the phone. This will help the user with setting up the phone. And finally, we have a standard micro USB charging adapter. And that is all you will find inside this box. Thank you for watching.